Now let's take a look at another Beamable feature prefab. I've got an empty project set up with Beamable already installed. Let's open up the toolbox and get started. There's a dedicated window Beamable that has several different options. We're going to go into the toolbox. The toolbox is organized into sections, and in each section there are relevant feature prefabs. Let's take a look at the store flow. Stores allow players to shop for in-game items. Now, shops are an optional part of games, but they're a common strategy for monetization. We'll expand the commerce section and drag out the store flow. Hit play and take a look. Here we've got a simple store with an item for sale. A user can buy the item for 5 gems and it gets added to their inventory. Beamable supports in-app purchases for iOS, Android, Steam, and Windows Store. Beamable handles all the front end and back end of shops, so you can concentrate on how your players will earn those items and use those items in game.